I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking What Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can turn your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please add me for your weekly assignments, add me for your weekly quizzes, and add me for your complete course. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, all simulation, midterm, final, and quizzes. Okay, let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. XP 22 What Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism. This is title of assignment. As here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. And moving on, question number 1, start what, download and open the file name XP22 What Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism Documents. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Word file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can see this. I have downloaded this Word file from a Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. Okay. You can see this my file. Now moving on, question number 2, place the insertion point at the end of document. Okay, insert a 2x and 2 multiply by 1 table, adjust the width of the first column to 2 inches, apply the table style of last table to S and 6. Basically in this question we will place the insertion point at the end of the document, insert 2 by 1 table, and then we will adjust the width of first column to 2 inches, apply the table style of last table to S and 6. Okay, we will move on Word file and then we will insert a table 2 by 1. Okay, insertion point at the end of the document. Okay, here is the end of the document. Now insert a 2 by 1 table. Click on insert tab and then click on table 2 by 1. Okay, this is table inserted here. Now adjust the width of the column to 2 inches, first column to 2 inches. We will adjust the width of first column. Okay, we will select first column and then we will adjust the width of first column. Go to the layout tab and then cell size group. We will adjust the width of first column to 2 inches. Now apply a table style of list table to S and 6. Okay, apply a table style of list table to S and 6. Okay, we will apply the table style. Go to the table design, go to the table style and then list table style to S and 6. List table to S and 6. Now moving on, next question is question number 3. I have done 2 questions of this assignment right now. You can see on my PC screen. I have done this question very well. Now moving on, question number 3. Center the newly created table horizontally. Select the table and apply shading of gray S and 3 letter 80%. Okay, center the newly created table horizontally. Okay, we will a new table. We will adjust the center the horizontally and then we will select the table and apply the shading of gray S and 3 lighter 80%. Row 2 column 7. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. Center the newly created table. We will select this table and then go to the paragraph group in the home tab, and then we will center the alignment. Now select the table and apply shading of gray accent 3, later 80%. We will select this and then go to the table design, go to the shading, and then we will apply this shading given in the question. Orange accent 2, later 80%. Sorry, gray accent 2, later 80%. Okay. Gray accent 3, later 80%. Okay, I have done 3 questions. Right now, moving on question number 4. In question number 4, insert a row between the first and second rows of the first table. Okay, insert a row between the first and second row of the first table. The eco-friendly word destinations row. Tap destination in the first cell on the new row. Tap description in the next cell. Tap C2 rating in the last cell on the row. Okay, simply first we will insert a row between the first and second row of the first table. Okay, we will go to the Word file and then we will insert a new row between the first and second row of the first table. Okay, go to the layout tab and insert below. Then we will type destination in the first cell on the new row. We will tap, we will copy and paste here simply destination in the first cell of the new row. Now we will copy and paste here. Tap description in the next cell. We will tap description in the next cell. Here we will tap here description. We will copy and paste here. Tap C2 rating in the last cell on the row. Okay, type C2 rating in the last cell on the row. We will tap C2 rating, copy and paste here simply. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question. You can see on my PC screen I have done 4 questions right now. Now moving on question number 5. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. In question number 5 we will read first this question and then I will apply on my Word file. You can see my video, you will follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and bottom of my screen. You can contact me. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. Okay, question number 5 is that insert a column at the right of last column in the table. Okay, then type approximate visitors years in the last cell on the second row. Type data in the final 2 column of the table as follows. C2 rating, approximate visitors years. Okay, you can see this. Basically in this question we will insert a column at the right of last column in the table. Okay, we will go to the Word file and then we will insert a column at the right of the last column in the table. Okay, we will insert a column. Click on the layout tab and then insert right. In the rows and columns group, click on insert right. Column will be inserted, new column. Now type approximate visitors year in the last cell on the second row. Okay, we will type approximate visitors years in the last cell on the second row. We will copy this and then simply paste here. Approximate visitor years. Okay, on cell C, on cell 2, new column of cell 2, you can see copy and paste here. Okay, type data in the final two columns of the table as follows. Okay, you can see here table 8, 7, 9, 6. Okay, 9, 6, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8. Okay, 250, 300, 2,50,300, 2,50,300. We will copy and paste here this hint, this digit. Okay, now 524,000, 524,000, 2,07,000, 2,000,700, and the next is that 34,900, 34,900. The next is that 1,90,000, then 3,500, 3,500, the next is that 1,45,000, 1,45,000. Okay, this is good. Now the last is at 3,48,000, 3,48,000. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on question number 6. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. You can see on my PC screen. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Question number 6 is that, okay, select the first table. Select a border style of double solid lines 1/2 point S and 3. Apply the selection to outside borders out of it contents of the table. Okay, you can read this question first and then I will apply on my Word file. Select the first table. Moving on Word file, we will select first table. Okay, then select a border style of double solid line 1/2 point. Go to the border style and then apply double solid line 1/2. Okay, border style and double solid line 1/2 point. Where is double solid line 1/2 point? Okay, S and 3. Go to the border style. You can see here in the table design tab, go to the border style and then we will apply this 1/2 point. Apply the selection to outside borders out of it content. Okay, go to the border and then outside contents. Okay, out of it content to the table. Click on AutoFit. You can see here we will click on AutoFit content. Simply click on here. This question is done now. Now moving on, next question is question number 7. Select the first row of the first table and merge cell. First row of the first table and merge cell. Center text in the first row. Apply shading of light gray background to darker 50%. Change font color of text in the first row to white background 1. Bold text in the selected row and then change the font size to 14. Okay, you can read this question. This question is the 7th question of this assignment. I have also done 6th question of this assignment. Okay, select the first row of first table and merge cell. We will select first row of first table and then we will merge cell. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities. I will provide you A+ grade. You will be free from this course. I will handle your all assignment, simulation training, midterm, exam, quizzes. Okay, select the first row of the first table and merge cell. First row of the, moving on. Okay, Word file, and then we will select first row of the first table and then merge cells. You can read this question first. Now I am applying on my, we will select this first row and then go to the layout tab, table design tab. First we will select the first row of the first table and then we will go to the layout tab, and you can see we will simply merge cell. Okay, click on merge cells. This question is done. This point is done now. The second point is that center text in the first row. Okay, we will select this and then we will go to the home tab. In the paragraph group and alignment group, simply click on the center the alignment. You can see alignment, center the alignment. Now apply shading of light gray background to darker 50%. Apply shading. We will go to the table design, go to the shading, and then we will apply darker to 50%, light gray darker to 50% shading on this. Okay, now change font color of text in the first row to white background 1. First row 2, we will select the first one, go to the home tab in the font color, and then we will apply background 1, text background 1. Now bold text in the selected row and then change the font size to 14. We will select, simply we will select selected row, we will select this row and then go to the home tab in the font group. We will simply apply bold on this and then we will go to the font size and then we will apply 14 point font size on this row. Okay, you can see I am applying on my Word file. Please follow my video. Okay, select this row, go to the home tab in the font group, apply bold and then go to the font size and then we will apply 14 font size. Okay, you can see here I have done this assignment very well. Okay, for remaining question, and you can see I have done 7 questions of this assignment. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Okay, total question of this assignment is 18. I have done 7 questions of this assignment. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all simulation training, all assignments, all exam, midterm and final, and all quizzes. You please hire me for your weekly assignments, hire me for your weekly quizzes, and hire me for your weekly exam and for midterm and final exam. For complete course, I will provide you A plus grade in your complete course. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard like economics, my lab math, my lab economics, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, my lab Assess, and many more courses. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.